At SafetyQuip, we have many clients working in the welding, boiler making or engineering industries. For roles that involve exposure to hot sparks, such as welding, grinding or cutting metal, we're often asked for protective apparel such as jackets that provide protection from those hot sparks. This product is the Elliott's Whack-A-Tack Pro-Band welding jacket with leather sleeves. Now, traditionally a welding jacket has leather all over the jacket, so not just the sleeves, but the body itself. Now, that lasts well, but the leather doesn't have any give or stretch, and it's quite hot to wear in warmer months. So this product here has a body that's made of Pro-Band fabric. Pro-Band is a breathable, flame retardant fabric that's very comfortable to wear compared to a full leather garment. So this garment here has a press stud at the top and Velcro closure down here, so it's very quick and easy to get off. And on the back, there's an extended tail flap. So if you're bending over welding or grinding and sparks are landing on your back, it protects your backside or tail a bit better. The jacket is often paired up with the Elliott's Whack-A-Tack hood, which is also made of the Pro-Band fabric and provides protection from hot sparks for the head, the hair, and the tops of the shoulders. There's a drawstring around the face, which can be drawn in a bit tighter just to provide a better seal around the face. The Elliott's Whack-A-Tack Pro-Band welding jacket with leather sleeves. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.